It's halal happy hour in this kitchen, and today we're going to be making this pineapple and citrus fresher. With my latest kitchen gadget, this multifunctional hand press, we're going to squeeze out this gorgeous juice that is loaded with vitamin C, enzymes to aid digestion, and loads of antioxidants. The results were pretty impressive. With 4 oranges, 1 lime, and 1 whole pineapple, we were able to gather 500 ml of juice. Next, I went ahead and I grated a thumb-sized amount of ginger just to add that little punch of heat. I set it aside for 20 minutes before straining it into my glass bottle to get rid of any unwanted particles. This juice is going to be the perfect addition to iftar this Ramadan. Ramadan is closing in, inshallah, and we're having a Ramadan flash sale on Indulgence Homeware and right here on TikTok. So go ahead and tap the link in my bio, send me a message on WhatsApp, and let's discuss how to get yours to you as soon as possible. To create this gorgeous rim around our glass, we're going to line our glass with some lime and dip it into some sugar. Chill with some ice and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed Ramadan.